Everybody, this is Sneha this side, and I'm here with another tech tutorial. And I want to answer the question how to integrate Kajabi with Google Analytics. So right now, I would be doing this integration for a client of mine. So I just thought, it would be nice for me to pop on and pop into Facebook and show you how to do it. So I'll just go back into my client's dashboard, and I will integrate his Google Analytics to Kajabi, and I will show you how to do that. Right? So my client has sent me a few details that I would need. So first, what we would do is we would go into Kajabi and we would go into settings, and then we would click integrations, third-party integrations. And in this case, when we go a little down, there would be Google Analytics, and it will we have to put that on, and over here we need to put the code. So this, my client has sent me this code, and which I will just copy and paste from here. My system is a little slow today, so please bear with me. I'll just copy and paste this code. So I'm showing you two methods today. This is the first method of doing it, and you have to paste the code here and click save. So what this would do is that your Google Analytics is now integrated with Kajabi, right? That was one method of doing it. The second method would be going into settings, and that is a method that is, a lot of times our when we are fixing it up in the Google platform, they tell us to, they give us a piece of code and they tell us to put that code in the head section. So this is what I'm going to talk about. So for that, we need to go to settings and site details. And once we need to go to site details, I'll show you where. Then we come a little down, and over here there is header page scripts. So this will be placed in the head section of every page. So we need to go there and we need to click this script that Google gives us and paste it here and click save. So now what we have done in this video is we have integrated Google Analytics with Kajabi using two methods. One is a third-party integration method wherein we put the toggle on and put the UA code, and the second is wherein we take the code that is given by the Google and they tell us to put it in the head tag of our website, and that's what we did by going into settings, site details, and header page scripts. Here it is. I just wanted to show page scripts, right? So I hope you find this video valuable, and if there's anything that you want to know, leave a comment below this video and I will come back and answer any questions you have. Till next time, have a good day. Bye-bye.